What's going on, ladies and gents? I'm MikeOfAllTrades. I'm a content creator here on YouTube. I do all kinds of content. I do content about arcades, like Arcade 1-Up in that game, so if you're interested, stick around. I do product reviews. I do product unboxings. So if you're into that kind of stuff and seeing tech that could possibly help you out, click to stay around. If you want to hear somebody big, tall, and brazen give their opinions on something that you may or may not be interested in, stick around. And if you enjoy random shorts about some of the nerdy things that I'm into or things that I produce, then stick around. I'm MikeOfAllTrades. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Later. Oh, and one more thing. If you want ASMR with my regular speaking voice, stick around.